Welcome you all again, and you know that in my previous lecture, means yesterday, I have given the questions to you. Only one question I have given, not much burden for my dear science students and for my dearest commerce students. Okay. So here the fourth question I have written again on the board, and this question is for your homework in yesterday's lecture. But in today's lecture, you have to give the answers to me. But it is not possible, as you know that this is your virtual classroom. Okay, then before starting this topic, let's revise what the instructions I have given yesterday. So students, see, rectification of errors means correction of errors. So while doing the correction, we have to see the two main things in our mind. First thing is that let's check the tense. If it's proper, then find out the next error. Second step is, if you are thinking that the tense is correct, then look out the preposition and articles. Okay, and sometimes again the third we learned in the third lecture, in my previous lecture, the third instruction. Which unit is, can you guess? Third instruction is that sometimes rhyming words are there. We have to change the words with another spelling with meaning different. Means what? Here last sentence head is there, it becomes heard. Here is there, it becomes here. Means you have to see the third step that we learned in the last lecture, that is see the rhyming words. If you come to know that if they are wrong, then you can correct the mistake. Okay, so with this, let's see what is the question you have given here. I see him scrounging on the garbage. Actually, scrounging means to search or to look for. So, scrounging on the garbage or in the garbage? Which is correct? In the garbage, exactly. So, on is the error here. So, I write on is the error and its correction in. Again, I am reminding you that this is the proper way of writing the answer. In exam, no need to write the question. You just write the answer this way. Make two columns, error and correction. Write the questions number. If in exam your numbering are 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have given A, B, C, D, so I am writing A, B, C, D. This way you have to do, because you are most understandable students. No? Now see, next question. He leave his home long ago. He leave. Leave shows the present tense and long ago shows the past tense. So here there is a mismatch of the sentence. He leave his home long ago. So long ago you can't change that, but you can change here leave. So leave becomes left. So here leave, it becomes left. Okay guys. Third one. His home in Dhaka was the distant memory. This is a simple sentence. Actually all sentence is correct. Only one slight mistake is there. Which one it is? That the. Okay, the, because the is the definite article and there is no need to use definite article for distant memory. If suppose that the is here, then it is correct, because Dhaka is the name of the city and you know that before the name of any city, then newspaper, then country, whatever, the comes. But here for distant memory there is no need of this the. So remove that the and replace it with A. So another error is the, it becomes A. Next question is, the storms swept away their fields and homes. This is very easy. Which one? There. Why? Because this there shows the place and there is no need to show the place here. So there it shows the relation. So THEIR, that there I have to write here. So the D number is there. I will write THEIR there. So these are answers. How many of you have correct? Four answers. All four answers are correct. Very good. Now let's move towards the fifth question. Parallelly you can write, guys. Whenever I am writing on the board, you can write. Okay. So fifth question is, it's A part. I have traveled along the country. Along the country. B question. walking barefoot. C. For many it is. For many it is a traditional to stay barefoot. To stay barefoot. D. For more it is a. For more it is a perpetual state of poverty. State of poverty. These are the 4 questions I have written here, and you have to find out the error, that where the error is. Now see, I will write here. This is your A, B, C, and D. Let's find out the error. First question is, I have seen. I have traveled along the country. Which one is incorrect? Actually, whole sentence is correct. No? Which one is incorrect? Just find out. I have traveled along the country. So here, along we are not using for subject. Okay, guys. Suppose along where we are using. Along means to show the bank of the river. I am taking my morning walk along the river side. So for this purpose I am using along, but along the country it is not proper. So the error I got, that is along. So your along becomes across, means overall, throughout the country. Across means what? Throughout the country. So I write here across. Next question. I have seen children walking barefoot. Children's, we are not writing this one because child is plural from it, children. But if you are pronouncing children's, then it is wrong. So this is very easy mistake you get here. Children's. So I write children's. It becomes, yes, children. Okay. Next one. For many, it is a traditional to stay barefoot. For many, okay. It is a traditional. Is it proper word? Traditional? No. Then which one is the proper word for here? Tradition. Okay, guys. So for many, it is a. So that traditional, it becomes tradition. So here I write traditional. This is your error. I corrected it with tradition. Okay. So means your traditional becomes tradition. Next one. For more, it is a perpetual state of poverty. For more, not getting, no? Because it is a perpetual state of poverty, that is correct one. Then where is the mistake? More. More becomes most. So again the next error is more. It becomes most. Okay, I hope you all are very comfortable with this topic now. Rectification of errors. 2 more questions I will write, and with this I am ending my rectification of errors. So here students, I told you that parallelly you can write, but if you have not written the questions, you just pause my video, write down all the questions, because I will check it after the lockdown. That is my firm decision I have taken, and definitely I will check. And from the school also the video call will come. At that time, don't say any excuse to them. Okay? So I am wrapping this board. You have to write it down very nicely in your book. If you want to write in your prose book, you can. And if you have made grammar book, then you can write this topic in the grammar notebook also. Now, let's move towards the next 2 questions, namely 6 and 7. 5 questions we have completed. So, get ready for the 2 questions. It will get more practice for you to solve the rectification of error. I hope After solving these questions, you will not face any difficulty. So the next two questions I am writing parallelly. If you want to write it, you can. So from the camp only I am writing the questions. Third, now it is sixth one and A question. They pitch their tents. They pitch their tents where they find food. Where they find food. Next question. If suppose you want to write, then you can. Second question. Their tents become their tents become transit homes. Transit homes. See, children go on in them. Children grow on in them. They become partners of survival. They become partners of survival. Now, let's do the correction. Here, they have given the sentences to you and you have to do the correction. See, this is your A, B, C and D. Okay. Now, first question. They pitch their tents where they find food. So, which one is incorrect? You can speak out the answer, students, because if either I am not listening, okay, but because of this you will get the confidence. They pitch their tents. Where is the incorrect word here? Where becomes where. So where is a verb, it changes to where. Is the, you can say conjunction or preposition, you can. Conjunction. Next one. Their tents become transit homes. Here the mistake is very easy. There. This is wrong, no? That there, I will write here, there. It becomes THEIR, there. Now see guys, here the sentence, if the there is given in the beginning of the sentence, so capital letter comes first, so I have written this one. Okay? Next one. Children grow on in them. Grow on, not proper. Children grow up. So on becomes up. This on, it becomes up. Next question. They become partners of survival. They become partners. Okay. Of survival? No. In survival. So your of is your error. It becomes in. Got it, guys? Now the last question is remain, but I don't have any space. So what I did here, what I will do, I just rub the board, but before that you can write the question. Okay? Now I am going to rub the board, but don't forget to write the question. Okay? So let's move towards our last but not least question, because in further lessons these questions are given, but I will not do the practice for that because we have other work also. So this is your duty to try to solve the questions of your further chapters wherever we will complete. Okay. Now see the fourth question. Sorry, seventh one. 7. I know nothing. This is the example. Seventh question and seventh A. nothing. I know nothing except bangles. B question. I have made a house of the family. You can guess which mistakes are there. Third question is, I don't knew any other trade. I don't knew any other trade. D. My family is not able to have proper name. So these are the questions I have written over the board. Then you have to find the answer for it. First question, I will write the answer this way. First is A, then B, C and D. I know nothing except bangles. Question is correct, but something is missing. What is it? Can you guess? I know nothing except bangles. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, सिर्फ bangles पता है, सिर्फ only. So that accept is wrong. Accept means you have supposed to, we are accepting it. हम लोग उसको ले रहे हैं. This accept is wrong. Okay. So your first mistake is accept. It will become accept. E-X-C-E-P-T. I know nothing except bangles. Second question. I have made a house of the family. Here of is your wrong question. I have made a house of the family or for the family. Which one is correct? Of the is the wrong question. So this of becomes for. Okay. Next one. I don't know any other trade. Sorry. मैंने आंसर बोल दिया. I don't knew. Knew is the error. So I don't shows the present tense. If suppose the present tense is given, you can't take the past form. So knew is the wrong one. It becomes no. Knew, no. Then next one. My family is not able to have proper meal. Not. Is it correct here? No. So the answer is my family is not. So your not becomes not. No. Let's revise the topic. First question. I know nothing except bangles. So accept means accept is there, but spelling is different. I have made a house of the family. Of become for. I don't knew any other trade. Knew becomes no. My family is not able to have proper meal. Not becomes not. So guys, with 7 questions, we have completed the topic rectification of errors. And you all are very smart students, I know very well. So that it is easy for you. What is the actual work you have to do here? So let's revise what we have learned. While changing the rectification of error, 3 or 4 rules you have to keep in your mind. And that rules are: first rule is see the tense. If you found that the tense is correct, then find out the next error. Second step is that see the preposition. Third one is that see the article. If it is correct, then move towards to find the next error. And the new fourth step we learned in the previous lecture, and that fourth step is we can say rhyming words. That is here also. Which one is the rhyming word? Accept. It becomes accept. The pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. So you have to see that one also. And very hardly, sometimes the spelling mistake will come, but it is only for the lower standards. We are in higher classes, so they are not going to do the same mistake. Definitely they will not ask the grammar, that spelling mistake, but sometimes it would come for this you should be ready. So with these students, I hope you understand it well, and you have to write all these questions in your notebook. And if suppose you have any doubt, then from the camp only I have done all these exercises. I think my answers are correct. But in camp, if it is different, then you can make the correction. But before making the correction, you just circle that question and ask me when the lockdown is open. Actually, I have completed all the correction is proper. But sometimes if in camp the answers are different, then you have to see the answers. But my answers are correct 100%. I am saying to you, and you know that whatever I am teaching to you, always it is correct. Okay? If suppose any doubt, refer the camp. If the camp is not solving the doubt, then we will meet in the Google Meet. Okay? Till then, bye.